Light horse. Light horse is a rechargeable battery. You can easily uncover the silicone lid at the top of it, and it has micro 5 pins charging ports. You can see red light while charging, and it takes just 3 hours to be fully charged. It turns out green light when it gets done. Light horse can be used up to 500 times, and when it compares to single-use battery, which costs $1 bill from the market, you can save amount of $500 with light horse. Additionally, in a car, portable battery, smartphone charger, light horse can be used in various ways. Yes, this is how we do. Light horse.
Dear Kickstarter, our team has focused on developing modular robot technology for the past 5 years. After several generations of product development, we're finally able to bring the Cell Robot to life, producing the first modular robot with practical functions. Cell Robot can be hundreds of robots in one. All the Cell Robot modules have universal connectors, making it possible to combine them without any limitation. The robot is controlled by a smartphone app. You can free your imagination and build your own robot with Cell Robot and share your ideas with other users. We can't wait to see what you come up with.
When I was a kid, I dreamt of having a hoverboard, so I began experimenting with magnets. I've been working with brands and businesses to create custom levitation displays. I've been levitating shoes, skateboards, speakers, and even a mouse. What if we could combine magnetic levitation with induction? What if we could set the light bulb free? This is flight. It's a levitating light. It's floating using magnets, and it's powered through the air. So how does it work? You line up the center of the bulb with the center of the base. When you see the light turn on, you gently let go and watch it levitate. We want your flight to last a long time, So we use energy-efficient LEDs that are safe and don't need to be replaced. We crafted the base from sustainable sourced oak, ash, and walnut. Oh yeah, and just tap the surface of your flight to turn it on or off. When you're not using your bulb, wireless power is good for other things, like charging your phone. We would love for you to experience flight. So back our project today and be the first to get your hands on the flight. Be the first to experience levitating light.
Beam can turn any surface into a big smart screen, allowing you to do whatever you want. You can place Beam above your dining table and play some games with your buddies. Use it in the kitchen to help you cook that delicious recipe. And the great thing is that it runs any app available. Beam is always on and connected with the internet. You can set it up to start any app you want the moment you need it. It can also wake you up smoothly in the morning with the news and the weather forecast. Beam, the smart projector light that fits in any light socket. You can connect any smart device with it.